Continuing debugging the WebRTC stuff, I realize there's a lot of duplication between member states processing these messages and WebRTC processing these messages. So I think WebRTC Manager can just look at member states if we consolidate this. So if we're listening to members, we're adding that the states are here. So we're setting them. Okay. We set everybody but ourself is set here. Okay. I mean, there can be a race condition where you join at the same time and the other person, you get the message before they're in there. So maybe we can reuse this merge thing. This merge state takes the member ID and the date. And if it doesn't define, we'll just do this, and then we'll just remove the somehow not set. So incoming on event, if you say that the member was entered, they should have a state here, so we'll also use merge here. And finally, do the same thing here. Now, we also need to handle people leaving, right? Maybe we can still use merge state and then put in a null. if you don't have this, but you intend to put something in there, set this up. Otherwise, if attr equal to null, then just delete this member ID and return. Otherwise, if you have this and it's not set, then set it, and then apply those keys into there. And finally, emit a message for refreshing the state. Member states changed. And then I will give it's an object of member ID string and member date. I don't think we need this one anymore. So we have one uniform structure. It's a lot easier to understand. So anytime one of these things change, like you initially come in or somebody else entered, somebody else left, somebody changed a microphone, or you changed the microphone because, oh, these don't, yeah, we gotta fix this. This needs to merge as well. Merge the state with needed preference. Actually, a state for, okay, this can be member state. entered, that's also a state. This one is a null. Okay, so sometimes it's null. And this is sometimes a payload that contains something more than the state. Okay, so then this is, I guess, any or null. Member states change. This members. Okay, we gotta change this. So merge state. Mic muted pref. Get rid of this. And then this merge state. And its nickname. So this will all trigger a member states changed. And that, I believe, is the only thing we need to listen to. We're in setup listeners. So we can comment all of this out. And just listen on it. So signal hub local on changed and subscribe. Console log states changed and state. Okay, looks like I got myself. Movements got nobody. Joins got myself. Incoming presence state. Yeah, those are channels though. But I successfully got myself over here. And if I unmute, member states changed. Very good. Very good. Somebody comes over on Firefox side. Okay, now we have two members. Mic muted, true. How about that? That one is false. One of them leaves. Channel incoming presence diff. Member left. Didn't member left. Didn't change my member states changed. I mean, it did, but I didn't get an event. Let's see. Must have gotten here. Oh, it returned early. If that's true, delete this. Else, do all this. And then emit the state has changed. So we have this. Okay, member states changed. There we go. Firefox. Member states changed. Oh, because I entered it already. Entered it, but now I need to give a different nickname, right? Get another member states change because now it's Henry. Yep. Maybe we only enter after you put in your nickname as well, because you're really not ready. You say you want to enter. Okay, let's make that a change. Okay, we got the two here, and then one of us leaves. Presence diff, but we're waiting for it to leave. Left, member state changed. Very good. Okay. The next thing to do would be, yeah, we got to enable the WebRTC stuff, and then we also, what was it? Something about joining and leaving, what was it? Oh yes, now I remember. The thing I wanted to do is that don't send enter event until we are all done with the modals. Ready. Should send the event. Okay, we want to repair the WebRTC bit now. So the member states looks pretty good. So we want to listen to member states changed in Web Manager. So set up listeners. Okay, so with this, we want to detect this. So I think you can simply do, okay, so states is already this value, and we want to pipe it. And first thing we want to do is we want to get a count. Actually, we can probably just go straight to this. This is what we want. We want to map it into this thing. So map it is going to have states for everyone, ID, and the type of state. Now you're going to do object entries over the states, reduce this and the state. And for every member ID, these are only people who have entered, so it's okay to member count. And then if the state mic is not muted, then the mic is on. So you can implement the on count. And then you can add the following. This, map it into a true and false, and then distinct until change, and then we will publish or leave. Let's test that out. Okay, so we're gonna unmute self, join on Firefox side. In unpublished audio, okay. Localhost. Is now publishing. Okay, so two people and one of them's unmuted. Yes. There we can hear ourselves. Yeah. If we mute ourselves, then we got. We're still publishing. Testing. Say client. I cannot tell. Let's see. Orchestrator.WebRTC manager. Oh, what's the state? Let's see. Joined is false. And here, WebRTC manager. Manager.WebRTC client joined is false. But if I unmute, it's true. Okay. Okay, pretty cool. I think it works.